Hi, and a very warm welcome to all you wonderful people present here. I am Rupali Suri, your host, your companion. This show is wonderful.
Of course, like,
And may I say a very
oh God.
joyful
Okay,
evening with you. This
yeah, chalega.
beautiful event is at the
Well, as we all know, it's an exhibition and we have a lot of people collaborating, coming with different designs in terms of jewelry, clothes, everything. So this is my most beautiful designer and my very good friend Rippy Sethi. If you go on my social site, you will be seeing all the pictures I keep wearing her, and I've been getting crazy compliments from the time I started wearing her, and people are like, oh my god, what sexy gowns you wear, what sexy gowns you wear. I was like, it's Rippy. I think she's one of the...
She carries my gown the best. She has that body language and the way she styles it, the personal touch she gives to it. I mean, I don't think anybody does it better than her.
I think that's very sweet of her, but I think she makes such good clothes, which, like, I'm not a thin girl, you know, I'm a full girl. And generally when you see such clothes, it's all about thin girls. And when I see I fit into it, I'm like, boss, you're making some amazing stuff, because, you know, everybody doesn't have a body like that. Generally people are like me, you know, they're like little healthy. So I think she makes me look amazing. She has different kind of clothes, which you can wear for your red carpet, you can wear for your casual events. She has all kind of variety, and that's the best thing. She is definitely one of the most finest designers I have been working with, and I'm sure she's going to be doing great in future.
She'll always be my favorite. And one thing I disagree, you're not fat. She is a proper UK 8. Trust me, the outfit coming from the dummy fits her like a glove. So she's mistaken. She's a proper UK 8 size. Not even one alteration. So you're not fat. You're fit. You're actual dummy size.
One more time, can we just give it up for Joya?
ऑनेस्टली डिसाइड करना रिपी के क्लोथ्स में से, मैं कहती हूँ ना, जब मैं जाती हूँ रिपी के पास अगर अपने कोई इवेंट के लिए कपड़े लेने, मुझे लगता है मैं कौन सा पहनूँ. एंड वेन एवर आई वेयर, पीपल आर लाइक, ओ माई गॉड व्हाट अ गाउन. मैंने कहा यार, सब पे सेम ही रिएक्शन देते हैं, किसी पे तो थोड़ा कम दो, किसी पे थोड़ा समझ में ही नहीं आता है. सो आई थिंक वेन एवर आई वेयर हर एंड द पिक्चर्स गो आउट, I do a lot of photo shoots with her clothes, and I think everybody just says, people tell me, you should keep wearing Rippy, she makes amazing stuff for you. So I think that's the best compliment, because as an actor, to just keep wearing one designer every time, it's a very big thing, I believe. Because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि इंसान बोलता है कि यार मैं बोर हो गई हूँ अब इससे, you know, सुंदर कपड़े हैं बट घड़ी घड़ी सेम. बट रिपी के कपड़ों में इतनी वैरायटी होती है कि आप हर इवेंट पे पहनो लेकिन आप अलग लगते हो. So I think that is very important, that people, when I wear any of her designs and I walk, people definitely give me a second look. And there has never been an event where people have not asked me who I'm wearing. I'm talking about big actresses also who have asked me who am I wearing, and I feel I never ask them who are you wearing. But I think that's one of the biggest compliment for the designer, where you walk in and people who are more senior and more, you know, they ask you what are you wearing. I think that's the biggest compliment.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I do for many of them, but for her, she is like family to me. So it's like dressing my younger sister, you know. She's like my baby. मरते दम तक बनाऊंगी इसके लिए. वो पहनेगी ना, तो पहनाऊंगी.
रिपी कपड़े दो, तुम नहीं हो कपड़े दो.
Continue to दिल से कपड़े पहनाती हूँ उसको मैं. Not because she's an actress, more than that, she's a very good person.
Even though if I wear her clothes, this lady was traveling, she was having a holiday in London, but still she used to keep coordinating and get my clothes sorted. And I think that's a very good relationship that you have with your designer, and that is when you feel very special. You feel that, you know, she's not just a lady who's giving her clothes to me, you know, you can see that love. And when you see that love, I think that's the best thing. An actor or a person, forget an actor, a person feels very connected and wanted by the person. So I think Rippy always makes me feel very wanted. ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे उसकी नहीं, उसे मेरी ज़रूरत है. पता ही नहीं चलता यहाँ पे ज़रूरत किसको किसकी है.
So you know, it's like I like when she wears, she dresses. खुशी मिलती है कि वो सुंदर लग रही है. That's my idea.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, she understands what I like.
I dress people just, I feel nice, they're looking good.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well, it's indeed heartwarming to see.
जी. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy कर रही हूँ. मैं
I can see her Snapchat. She's always enjoying.
I am like पता है मेरा सेट के लोग बोलते हैं यार ये इतना कैसे बात करती है। मेरा कैमरामैन है प्रकाश कुट्टी सर, ओके, हम जब पहले नए नए सेट पे गए थे, ही नेवर यूज्ड टू टॉक, सडनली ही इज टॉकिंग सो मच। एंड मुझे शर्मन अभी यही स्केड्यूल में बोलता है, सना आई हैव टू टेल यू वन थिंग, प्रकाश सर बात ही नहीं करते पर तुमसे कितनी बात करते। मैंने कहा पहले ये मुझसे भी नहीं करते थे, मेरे साथ जो भी रहता है वो 10 दिन के बाद मुझसे बहुत बात करता है। सो आई थिंक बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट अ फिल्म इज माई डायरेक्टर विशाल। आई थिंक मैं जो एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ गई थी वजह तुम हो में कि नहीं अच्छी बनेगी ये, इट्स गॉन अबव दैट। And I'm telling you, whoever is going to go on 2nd December to watch the film, they are going to be like, what a film. It's a thriller and people are going to love the thriller. उनको end तक पता नहीं चलेगा कि किसने क्या किया है. And eventually, it's not something where you can assume कि अभी ये होगा, अभी वो होगा. You are going to be like, कौन है culprit, किसने किया है. So I think that's the best part when you do a film. And I think I'm very excited for 2nd December. जी कस्टमर कंटेस्टेंट यस।
तो हमें सुनने में आ रहा है कि इस बार बिग बॉस में सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ कॉमन पीपल भी जाने वाले हैं।
हाँ जी। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी नाइस यार, इट्स अ वेरी, आई ऑलवेज टेल मेरे जितने भी दोस्त टीवी के होते हैं, अगर वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि हमें बिग बॉस का कॉल आया, मैं कहती हूँ पहली फुर्सत में चले जाओ, बिकॉज यू नो ये डिपेंड आपका नेचर कैसा है। अगर आप एग्जिस्टिंग हो स्वीट हो, वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है अंदर आप किस चीज़ पे कैसे एक्शन लेते हो। बट आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर पीपल टू प्रूव देम सेल्फ, टू शो देम, एंड देयर लॉट ऑफ पीपल वॉचिंग देम। और आपको कब कहाँ से काम मिलता है यू नेवर नो, बट बिग बॉस डेफिनेटली मेक्स यू वेरी फेमस। एंड आई थिंक अगर आपको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो उसको यूज़ करो।
This is where the luxury, this is where the style, this is
designer.
where luxury and lifestyle exhibition. Make sure you guys are there. Thank you so much. Make sure that you drive back safe.
Thank you. I'm most excited to, to be like one of the faces of Joya, and the Moranis are like family to me. And again, the Moranis are like family to me, and I'm so happy to be here. And thank you so much, Karima, for putting this together for me. It's lovely.
Okay, so
where are you from?
So I'm from Bombay. I just launched my label at Lakme this season. So I was the youngest designer. I'm only 22, which is why I'm super excited to see your daughter in it as well. And I studied in New York at Parsons, so I thought Kanika would be the perfect muse for me because she's so fashionable herself, and she's doing an amazing job at like rocking my gown. As you can see, she's looking like absolutely stunning. And I think moreover, it's just her inner beauty that shines through. So I'm really happy that she's here in my outfit.
Sweet, thank you.
First reaction when the designer approached you, that 22 years old, first reaction when she approached you, how beautiful.
With God's grace, because of my work right now, I get approached by a lot of people, but I don't like to wear everybody. So I'm very picky, and I like to choose what I wear. And when she sent me her things, and I saw her lookbook, I told the organizing committee that I'd love to meet her personally, and I'd love to wear, and I'd love for her to design something for me. So.
Okay, Kanika, what happened to you?
Oh my God, I think I've given you too many songs the last 2 months, guys. Come on, you've been dancing.
I still can't get over Chittiya Kalaiya. So
I don't know if you know, the last 2 months we've had an Akhiyan from Do Lafzon Ki Kahani, a Hug Me from Beiman Love with Sunny. We've had Dada Dasse in Urta Punjab. We've had Beat Pe Booty, which is my recent one. It's just come out 3 days ago with Jacqueline and
Just cover the event.
And I think everybody's absolutely loving Love Letter from the legend of Michael Mishra. And there's lots more happening. I think I have a lot of independent music coming, a lot of great collaborations. So watch the space. There's a lot of music coming up. This is just the start. Abhi to party shuru hui hai.
Whether it is audio or the critics, they all love your music, all love your voice. Do you feel nervous or कहीं डर लगता है इतनी सारी सक्सेस, इतनी कामयाबी और इतनी जल्दी?
Actually, मैं जब लोगों को बताती हूँ कि मेरा करियर, मैं बॉम्बे में 18 महीने से हूँ, and will be in and out, तो उनको लगता है oh my God, this is like quick, एकदम से सब कुछ हुआ है. बट नहीं, एकदम से नहीं हुआ है. मैं जब 8 साल की थी तब से मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट. सो आई थिंक आई हैव वर्कड for 25 years to be where I am today, and a lot of hard work and a lot of compromise. But अब मैं आप लोग सबको नचाती तो हूँ, बट अब मैं थोड़े डिफरेंट गाने कर रही हूँ, डिफरेंट गाने भी कर रही हूँ जो मेरे टेस्ट के गाने हैं जो मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ लोगों को.
Okay, second last I would say, you are such a beautiful female, you know, you're such a gorgeous lady. बहुत लोगों ने, मेल सिंगर की बात करूँ, सबने एक्टिंग में कहीं ना कहीं एक बार हाथ आजमाया है, चाहे हर किसी एक्टर ने. मेल सिंगर की बात करें, आप एक्टिंग की तरफ
बहुत सारे ऑफर्स हैं, एंड यू नेवर नो. एक्चुअली मैं अगर मैं एक्टिंग में कभी भी जाऊंगी तो एक पर्टिकुलर मैसेज होगी मेरे तरफ से, अगर मैं जाती हूँ और मेरा पहला रोल. सो I don't want to do anything just कि desperately मैं actress बन जाऊँ, because I'm quite committed to everything I do. So I'm singing right now and there's a long way to go in that. अभी तो मैं आई हूँ.
Okay, R.D. Burman पे legend पे
जी
बायोपिक बनने की बात चल रही है, और there are also news आमिर खान will be chosen to play R.D. Burman and Priyanka Chopra to play Asha Bhosle. What's your view on that?
Wow. That would be very, very exciting. I think they're two of my favorite actors in this industry, and I think it'll be great for a Priyanka Chopra to become Asha Bhosle.
Okay, R.D. Burman के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे और कितना ज़रूरी है उनके बायोपिक बनना?
Well, R.D. Burman, मैं लखनऊ में पली बड़ी हूँ, एंड छोटे से R.D. Burman जी के मैं गाने सुनते आ रही हूँ, एंड आई रिमेंबर सारी मेमोरीज. हम जब नैनीताल जाते थे, मसूरी जाते थे, हिल स्टेशन पे जाते थे, तो सिर्फ उन्हीं के गाने बजते थे. सो ऑफ कोर्स वो हमारे साथ आज भी हैं और हमेशा रहेंगे. एंड आई विश कि मैं भी इस तरीके के इस क्वालिटी के गाने गा पाऊँ एक दिन. ओके. Tell us your association with this entire initiative happening.
Of course, I think my major association is with the designer who I'm wearing today. That's Rippy Sethi. She is not just a designer, of course, she's my very close friend, and I always feel honored, I feel happy. There's so much of joy when I wear her clothes, because I think her clothes do full justice to the kind of dressing I like to do. I am a very over the top kind of a person. I like wearing gowns, I like wearing heavy stuff. I like wearing trails. Obviously when I'm going for a red carpet or an event, not for any casual events, but I think she makes amazing stuff. And if probably you see me on my social sites, you'll see me wearing only Rippy. So I think she is very, very close to me, not just because of how good of a designer she is, but also that she understands me. She knows the kind of dresses that I like. So at times, even if I'm not there, and if I just tell her, okay, I need your outfit for tomorrow, she just knows, and whatever she sends me, I just love it. So I think वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है एक एक्टर और एक डिज़ाइनर के बीच में, कि मुझे क्या पसंद है और मुझ पर क्या सूट होगा. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द रिलेशन वी हैव. Fashion means everything to me. I love fashion, but I'm not that kind of a fashion person who goes crazy कि अब ये fashion, अब ये तो करना ही है. As long as I'm someone, I only do things and I dress up in a way only if I like it and only if it suits me. So there are a lot of things that comes in fashion which doesn't look good on me, so I never try them.
The dress which you're wearing also reminds us of Sriya.
True. You just said it. I actually had a gold clutch also, and I was like, नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा retro हो जाएगा ये. So I think I avoided the clutch, and also the reason is because the gown is so heavy because of the tassels. मैं gown, मैंने सोचा या तो मैं clutch पकड़ सकती हूँ या तो gown. So I chose holding the gown. So yeah, I think I feel golden dress के साथ सबसे पहली बात है you can never go wrong, And golden dress with dark lips and dark nails, I think they look classy. They look, you look dressed up. And at the same time there is this elegance, you look pretty, you never look like अरे ये क्या पहना है, So and the best thing about gold is वो कोई भी skin complexion के साथ अच्छा लगता है, whether you're a wheatish person, whether you're a fair person, I think it complements all kind of skin tones. So I think gold is always my favorite color.
Okay, if you talk about your upcoming project with Vishal Pandya, there's already there.
Yes. Well, I can keep going on and on and on and on and on about Vishal Pandya and his project. I think I'm very, very excited that I'm finally doing Vajah Tum Ho, and it's releasing on 2nd of December. 12th October se we'll have the trailers out, so I'm sure बहुत सारे responses आएंगे. It's a thriller, so you can expect a lot of thrills in the film. Every scene unfolds new mystery and it's very difficult to decide. कहते हैं ना जब स्पेशली थ्रिलर देखो, अगर आपको पता है इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, that's the most boring film to see. But I'm not just saying because it's my film, but definitely because it's my film, I'm more conscious कि यार ऐसा ना हो कि लोगों को पता चल जाए सीन के बाद क्या है. I think Vishal is expert in thriller. He's been doing thrillers, and I'm very excited कि finally I'm doing a full-fledged film as a proper lead, and there is no other girl in the film, which is very interesting. So I have explored different kind of acting in terms of aggressive hona, in terms of I'm playing a lawyer in the film. I'm playing a very mature character in the film, which I'm not otherwise. I'm a very talkative girl, so you know बहुत कम बोलना और slow बोलना is मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. But I think we've done a great job. And my director, the very important thing is the director knows what to do on set, you know. ऐसा नहीं अच्छा ये नहीं चलो इससे चला लेते. He's not a चलाओ kind of a director, which is the best thing about Vishal. अगर ये चाहिए तो ये चाहिए, and that makes an actor more interested in the project. कि नहीं यार director is very, you know, very careful about everything. So I think yeah, I'm very, very happy. We have some amazing songs in the film. It's T-series, of course, so you can never go wrong with songs. So I think yeah, we're going to come with the blockbuster of this year for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Rolling? Well, I've worked with Cineyog and I've worked with the Muranis a number of times on films and shoots and things like that. So I know whatever they do really well. And I was very excited when they told me they're starting a luxury lifestyle event like Joya. I think it's the first time. It's going to be really something done on a good scale. And they have a lot of surprises up their sleeves. So I'm really looking forward to the whole event. Also, I'm a menswear designer, and also even as a guy attending these exhibitions, it becomes very difficult because of the timing. So I'm really excited about the night shopping. You know, they've got shopping till about 12 o'clock, till about a little later. So that's something I'm very excited about. नर्वसनेस तो मतलब नर्वसनेस के दिन गए अभी, पर हर पीस अभी कर रहे हो वो थोड़ा वो बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक वाइब तो रहता ही है. बट द आइडिया इज़ फैशन में क्या होता है, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट. तो अगर तुम रिस्क नहीं लोगे तो फिर कुछ नया बनेगा ही नहीं. तो रिस्क में ही मज़ा है, रिस्क लेते रहना चाहिए, तो ही नए चीज़ें बनते रहते हैं. थैंक यू.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.